Alright, check in people. Alright, this is a simple short floor I'm installing right now. Actually, I'm gonna do the short floor already, but I mean, I ended up with the wrong broad color. Yeah, the homeowners, them want to change the color, right? So instead of take out the old tile, we just go over it. So like how I already have my cuts pre-laid, cut already, I just lay them out, you see me? So I'm just gonna stay tuned and watch y'all going. Yeah? Remember, like, comment, and share. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, yeah? Alright, so it's pretty much like that. Yeah? Yeah, so that's our first piece right there. Cool? 11. Make sure it can do what it's supposed to do, right? Okay, you know, I don't want to catch no water nowhere. You don't need no water. Right? So let's carry on. Alright, so that is that. And so that is it, people, is it? Yeah. When doing a shower floor, you always want to make sure you pre-cut your tile. You lay them out first and then you cut them. Then you go back and install them easily. Good thing I pay attention because that don't belong right there. This is all I look for. Pretty much just like that, isn't it? And make sure you put them down so when they not touch each other. You know, when you stand up and look at it, it's like they might touch each other, you know what I mean? Yeah, you want it to just look consistent throughout the whole thing. So you just have to be vigilant while you do it. Yeah. And that is it. just like that. And that is it. Remember, thanks again. If you don't make it this far in the video, do remember, just give it a thumbs up, and thanks again for watching. See? And with me running the hand over it, we can actually feel if you don't feel for any little imperfection or you know want. You just want one nice, smooth air so the water can always run to the drain. Yeah? Yeah, so you see, when you pre-cut everything, it's like, you just make the whole thing become easier. You get what I mean? Yeah. So that is it right there. You see me? I'll go and see there, you know? Yeah, and if you know, I wonder how I just put them in like that. I kind of like some dry lay them, some organize them how basically me want them. Like, you get what I mean? Yeah. I mean, with this mistake I did make with the ground color, I mean, this was an easy fix. Because I just use it, as you can see, this I move. I just extend the drain up and I carry on. You get over there? Yeah. So, this was an easy fix, you know? Normally, sometimes, you know that easy. You get over there? It's a whole lot more to it. Remember, thank you again for watching. And who don't subscribe, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button, yeah? Leave a thumbs up also. Yeah, we also have a fishing channel for those who like fishing or into fishing and them type of stuff there. We also have a fishing channel where you can check out also, you can swim over there so outdoor, outside of work, catch some fish and just enjoy life. You can check that out to that a PTO, yeah? Pull them out entertainment. You know what I mean? So just check it out, PTO, pull them out entertainment. Check that out, yeah? That's a fishing channel where I just fish and, you know, enjoy myself on that, yeah? So check that out. And you can leave a like and, you know, start. Yeah, so that is it, you know, people. Thank you again for watching. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, yeah? I have to just put in them little pieces right there, so now. I have some little pieces to put in right there, so I already cut them cut. So them, I already have them little pieces I cut to put in there, so. And then, we're done. You know what I mean? Yeah, so. Stay tuned. Thank you again. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah?